Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from shoesmakingimpact.com, and we're on our Entrepreneurial Mindset series. So today is mindset shift number 4 you need to make to build a 6-figure business, and that is that failure is just feedback. So can I tell you something? Failure is not something that you want to shy away from. In fact, it's something that you want to pursue. The faster you fail, the faster you're going to succeed. So fail fast. When you see KFC, you don't see that Colonel Sanders got rejected over 1,000 times before he had his big break, or that Walt Disney's first venture, Laugh-O-Gram Studios, went bankrupt due to his lack of ability to run a successful business, or that Vincent van Gogh only ever sold one painting in his life, pinning him a failure as an artist. Like Albert Einstein said, failure really is just about success and progress. If you'd rather not fail, you'd probably never succeed. So what you really need to do is reframe the way that you see failure. Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx, said, "My dad encouraged us to fail growing up. He would ask us what we failed at that week. If we didn't have something, he would be disappointed. It changed my mindset at an early age that failure is not the outcome. Failure is not trying. Don't be afraid to fail." Good. Isn't that good? All right, tomorrow we're going to get to mindset shift number 5, but in the meantime, head to shoesmakingimpact.com and grab my free Pinterest cheat sheet. I'm going to show you how to get more leads and sales for free using Pinterest. So I'll see you there.